Good morning. Today I'm going to show you a budget approval application with biometric authentication. So this is a workflow that has 3 steps, as you can see. The first one will be the submission. After, we will have the team manager review, and after that we will have the department manager review, and finally the data will be automatically saved to SAP. So we are going to submit our budget request now by providing all the mandatory information. So we need to provide the category of the budget request, then the quantity, and finally the unit price of the items that we want to buy. After that, we need to select the different approval steps. So by default, as you can see, in this case, we will have only 2 approvals. So depending on the budget amount, you can have also additional approval steps. So now I'm going to provide the name of the people who will be making this approval. So I'm just going to provide myself as approver for the 2 steps. And finally, I can submit the request for approval. So after submitting the request for approval, I will automatically be notified by email. So now I'm going to share my phone with you. So I've just received a new email, as you can see, telling me that there is a new budget request. So I'm going to click and I will be accessing to this budget request. So after clicking, I receive an alert for the biometric authentication. So I can scan my face in order to make the authentication. In this case, as you can see, the authentication was unsuccessful because I didn't center my face. So I'm going to restart and try to center my face right now. So in this case, I have centered my face as requested. So in this case, as you can see, the authentication was successful. So now I can go back to run my app and I can say that I have scanned my face. So we can check the verification code that I've received. As you can see, I was verified because my face was authenticated successfully. Then I can scroll down in order to approve the request. So this was the first approval. Now we receive a second email for the second approval step. As you can see, now I am the department manager, so I'll need to approve again. So again, I'm gonna review the email that I've just received. (9:32). Again, I'm gonna open the task. So same way, I'm gonna receive an alert asking me for the biometric authentication. Again, I'm gonna scan my face. The authentication was successful, as you can see, identity verified. So now I can come back, confirm that I have scanned my face and the application is gonna check. I'm verified. And after I'm verified, finally, I can approve the task and complete my process. And as you can see, we received the final email indicating that the budget request has been approved and integrated in SAP. So with this simple workflow, as you can see, we are capable to request our budget. We are capable to use a biometric authentication so that we are sure that the person who is validating the request is the right person, and the person can also perform the task from any mobile device. Thank you for your attention. If you have any question, please let me know.